Congratulations, Zuba. You did very well. At least Zuba knows the value of education. She has passed.
I told you, investing in the factory was a huge financial risk, mother.
It made business sense.
This village will produce the first fashion graduates. I want you to find a college for your further studies. Okay?
Yes, I will do that.
Good. Let's hurry. And there's a lot of hard work needed today. The Sosalas are sending some bosses to come and see how we're working here. Okay?
And then
Mama Isa, your daughter should be careful with these Siriki city boys.